see you walk in. Welcome to Justin's Home Shopping Network. We have an excellent product in store today. Today in store we got the toothpick 9000 Deluxe multi-tool. Are you tired of having so many products that do nothing? Well, I got one that does everything! Oh! Tired of getting mugged?
You like that?
Let's see the same situation with someone who had a toothpick 9000.
What, you want some more?
Buy it! You can even display it as a decorative art piece. You can grab stuff with it. Hold your hat with it.
Right now!
You can push stuff with it. You can river dance with it. Pretend to play war with it. You're tired. You can turn the lights off with it. Buy it! You can change the channels with it. The product has many more functions, but due to the limited time slot of Justin's Home Shopping Network, we only show you a few. If you want your own toothpick 9000 Deluxe multi-tool, call 1-800-JUSTIN'S Home Shopping Network. Go to www.justinshomeshoppingnetwork.com.
But I get no